Click Origin when you turn on the machine. Mainly explain the use of the creasing knife, single creasing knife, double creasing knife, and the use of creasing knife and cutter. The machine is now returning to its origin. The screen will display Origin succeeded. Click Adjust, click SP8 to switch to SP4, then click the Move button on the screen to move the cutter head over. Just bend the knife to remove it, and press it firmly when installing. Click SP4 to switch to SP5. The one on the right is the SP for vibrating knife, and the one on the left is the SP5 creasing knife. Now set the cutting depth of the SP5 creasing knife. Adjust the descending distance to 5 mm. Click the down key, and Z will display 5 mm. Keep clicking down until there is a little gap between the creasing knife and the tablecloth. Then adjust the descending distance to 1 mm, and then click the down button to descend. It is best to adjust the pressure wheel to 0.5 mm to 1 mm away from the table, and take an A4 paper to test whether it can pass the If the A4 paper cannot pass through, the creasing knife will crush the tablecloth. Make sure that the A4 paper can pass through. If there is still a gap, adjust the descending distance to 0.1 mm, and then descend a little more. Now the drop distance of the creasing knife is 150 to 0.19 mm. Click to save and the creasing knife will retract. Click SP5 to switch to SP8 creasing knife 2. The one on the right is SP6. The one on the left is SP8 creasing knife 2. The disassembly and assembly methods are the same. Click the Move button on the screen to move the cutter head over. You can also switch to SP6 and press the Move button to move the left head. The method of setting the descent distance of SP8 is the same as that of SP5. Use A4 paper to test whether it can pass. Fold an A4 paper in half. If the roller rolls when it passes through, the height is just right. The pinch roller will not roll when the A4 paper is not folded in half. Set the drop distance of SP8 creasing knife to 150 to 0.20, and then click on the check mark to save.